Namaste bachcho. So today I am here with my new topic and the name of topic is work done by the variable force. So at first we have to know about the meaning of variable force. Variable force means the physical quantity force depends on any other physical quantity. By changing the other physical quantity, the value of force will change. For example, if I am talking about this work done, so work done is what? Force into displacement. Fine? Force into displacement. So if I am talking about here variable force, it means the value of force changes with displacement. Fine? It may changes with displacement or any other physical quantity. So here variable means the value of force changes with respect to any other physical quantity. So let's suppose, so I am drawing two-dimensional force position graph. So on one axis I am having force and on another axis I am taking the position. Fine. So here force is what? Not constant in nature, it is variable in nature. So it means force depends on position. It means as we change the position, so here suppose the initial position is xi. As I am changing the position, fine, as I am going towards a fixed direction, बच्चे इस direction में मैं जा रहा हूँ, the value of force is what? The value of force changes. Fine. So here is what? This is the final position. So here this from this graph, it is clearly shown that as we change the position, बच्चे, the value of force is changes. Value of force क्या हो रही है बच्चे? Change होती जा रही है. It means this force is what? Variable in nature. It depends on position. Fine. So now I have to calculate the work done. So for calculating the work done, बच्चे, I have to divide this whole area under curve AB into small rectangular strips. तो मैं इसको divide करता हूँ small rectangular strips में. Suppose like this. So I am dividing this whole area under the curve AB, XF, FI into small different strips. So these are what? Small rectangular strips of displacement delta x. Suppose the displacement of this, or we can say that the width of these strips is what? Delta x. So width of each strip is what? Delta x. So I am considering one strip here. At first I am considering the one strip and suppose I am giving name to this strip is what? A, B, C, D. Fine. So here if I am talking about this strip, suppose मैं इसको कैसा force की nature कैसे मान के चल रहा हूँ? Almost constant मान के चल रहा हूँ. Fine. So this is rectangular strip and I want to calculate the work done by this force from B position to C position. How much work done is done by the body? It is simply is equals to area of this rectangular strip. Fine. And the name of strip is what? A, B, C, D, A. So this closed strip है ना, इसको पूरा कर दिया. So this is what? This is the work done. And you know here area of this strip is what? This is a rectangular strip. So area is what? Position. On one axis we have position and on another axis I am suppose having the value of f. So this strip is what? Length into breadth, length into suppose delta x is the width of this rectangular strip. So this is equation number 1. Fine. So in this way I have calculated the work done under one strip. Fine. But we have number of strips starting from initial to final, xi position to xf. So for total work done ठीक है, for total work done from position xi to xf. Fine. So this is A, B. Suppose this point is C, capital C, or we can say that this point is P and this point is Q. So it means we have to find the total work done. Total work done means बच्चे total area of this curve, total area under this curve. So A, B, Q, P, A. So this much A, B, Q, P, A. तो मैंने closed curve पूरा बना दिया. उसके अंदर का टोटल एरिया क्या देगा बच्चे? टोटल वर्क डन की वैल्यू दे देगा. फाइन. सो इट मींस टोटल वर्क डन इज व्हाट? इज द सम ऑफ ऑल द रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप्स. फाइन. रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप्स अंडर कर्व AB. सो अंडर दिस कर्व जितनी भी रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रिप्स हैं उनका सबका बच्चे एरिया सम कर लेंगे हम. So for total sum we are using summation. Fine. So for discrete sum we are using summation. So from where to where? From initial to final. ठीक है. So strip of one area f dot dx. So here each strip having force F, because we are considering the force F as a constant force of these small strips and displacement as dx. So area of all the strips is what? Summation from xi to fi, fine, from position initial to final. F is force into dx, fine. Suppose we have for n number of strips, फाइन. हम लोग सपोज करके चल रहे हैं n नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिप्स और n की वैल्यू क्या है? इंफिनिटी. इट मींस वी आर डिवाइडिंग होल एरिया इनटू वेरी लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिप्स, फाइन. इट मींस द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा x, दिस इज द विड्थ ऑफ स्ट्रिप्स, ना, डेल्टा x. सपोज दिस डेल्टा x इज व्हाट? टेंड्स टू 0. इट मींस द विड्थ ऑफ strip is what? Which is very small, fine. So it means I am applying here condition that लिमिट लगा दिए बच्चे. डेल्टा एक्स क्या है बच्चे? बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉल है. इट मींस जो चेंज हो रहा है बच्चे एक स्ट्रिप से दूसरे स्ट्रिप में, वो चेंज क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉल है. और यू कैन ऑल्सो सो कॉल दैट कि मैंने इन स्ट्रिप्स को बच्चे और स्मॉल एरिया में क्या कर दिया होगा? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया होगा, है ना. जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं इनको बच्चे स्प्लिट कर सकता हूं, मैंने उतना ज्यादा से ज्यादा उनको स्प्लिट किया. उससे क्या हुआ बच्चे? द एरर इन आवर फाइंडिंग द वर्क डन क्या हो जाएगा? बहुत ज्यादा लेस हो जाएगा, फाइन. दैट्स वाई मैंने क्या किया बच्चे? विड्थ ऑफ दैट स्ट्रिप्स को मैंने बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉल कर दिया, फाइन. सो हियर आई एम हैविंग द वैल्यू दैट समीशन फ्रॉम xi to xf delta dot dx. I hope कि from here it is clear to you. When we have a limit बच्चे, limit what? Limit for change very small, for very small change, then summation is converted into integration, fine. Summation is converted into integration from where to where? xi to xf, fine. I hope this concept is clear to you. जैसे बच्चे हमारे डेरिवेटिव के केस में डेल्टा इज चेंजेस इनटू डी, ऐसे ही बच्चे समीशन इज चेंजेस इनटू इंटीग्रेशन व्हेन वी आर अप्लाइंग द लिमिट दैट डेल्टा ऑफ एनी चेंज क्वांटिटी इज टेंड्स टू बी 0. यहाँ पे x की जगह टाइम भी हो सकता है. इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी कि एवरी टाइम इट इज हियर x, बट इन दिस केस वी हैव पोजीशन, फाइन. सो इट मींस फॉर very small change this summation turns into the sign of integration, fine, f, and this delta is converted into d. So this is the final result for finding the work done by the variable force. It means here this force may or may not be depends on this position value, fine. So if it will not depend, then it is but constant force. If it will depend, then it will what? It is variable force. So this is the formula for finding the work done. Now we have to solve the numerical based on work done by the variable force. So students, so this is very important type of question which is generally asked in our question paper, fine. बहुत normally ऐसे पूछा जाता है. So in this question what we have? A particle moves along x-axis. चलो. So now we are drawing a graph. So particle is moving along x-axis from x is equals to 0, from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 5, fine. So initial position is 0 and final position is 5. Under the influence of force given by F is equals to 7 minus 2x plus 3x square. It means here the value of force depend on the value of position. It means this is not a constant force. This is what? Variable force. So from where to where it is varying? It is varying from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 5. Fine. So now we have to calculate the work done. So in this question, this is very simple question. We know the formula of work done finding with the help of variable force. जो variable force में हम work done का formula apply करते हैं वो कुछ ऐसा होता है x initial to x final. So f dot dx. I hope this term is clear to you. You know the formula of integration. पता है कि नहीं पता है? x raised to power n dx which is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Fine. So if we have limit from a to b, then here we will apply the limit from a to b. Final limit minus initial limit. Fine. So here we simply put the value of limit from 0 to 5, fine. Value of force 7 minus 2x plus 3x square dot dx, fine. So simple integration based on this formula x raised to power n dx which is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 and limit. So here we have x raised to power 0, that's why nothing is here. x raised to power 0 क्या होता है? 1 to 7 dot 1. It means power कितनी है यहाँ पर? 0. So it means 7 x raised to power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, fine. So here minus 2 x raised to power here power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus here 3 power is 2 x raised to power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. From where to where limit? From 0 to 5, fine. So now I am solving here. So here this is the value of work done. So here we have value of work done as 7. So x upon 1 minus 2x square upon 2 plus 3x cube upon 3 from limit 0 to 5. Upper limit minus lower limit. Fine. So limit is from 0 to 5. So now I have to put upper limit minus lower limit here. So as first I will put upper limit. Upper limit put करता हूँ मैं. On the place of x I will put 5. So 7x minus 2. 5 is अच्छा okay. 2 from 2 to 2 is cancelled out. Only 5x is there. So on the place of x I have to put 5. So 5 square plus from 3 to 3 is cancelled out. Only 5x raised to power 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. Fine. Minus lower limit is means 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So here is 0. So now the value of work done is what? 7 5 is 35 minus 25 plus 125. है ना? So 5 cube is 125. So I have to add according to Bodmer's rule. I have to add this quantity and this quantity. So here we have 0, 6 and 1 minus 25, which is equals to 135 joule. So this is the. So dear student, this is numerical 2. Numerical 2. In this also we have to find out the total work done from A to B. Fine. So in this question we have to find out the work done from A to B. So work done, total work done from A to B is equals to work done from A to P plus work done of or from P to Q plus work done from Q to R plus work done from R to B. Fine. So work done in this case we have to calculate by simply calculating the area under the curve. मैंने इन कर्व्स के अंदर का बच्चे एरिया क्या करना है बच्चे कैलकुलेट करना. फाइन. सो आई हैव हाउ मेनी एरियाज? वी हैव 4 एरियाज हियर. So we have to calculate the total work done. So this first area is what is a type of rectangle. So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth, है ना? और base into height. So base is what? 2 minus 1 is 1 multiplied by height is what? Height is 10. So this is the first work done. So for finding the simple work done हम सब सिर्फ और सिर्फ एरिया को ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे. फाइन. Because force into displacement is what? Work done only. So second is what? Second is type of force. इसमें देखो ये क्या बन रहा है बच्चे? Here we have trapezium. So here we have two parallel side and you know the formula of trapezium. Sum of parallel side नहीं पता तो लिखते sum of parallel side multiply by height divide by 2. In next step we will put the values. So third की बात करते हैं from Q to R. From Q to R. So this is a type of triangle. We know the area of triangle. Simply base into height. Base is what? From 3 to 4. Base is what? 1 and height is what? 15. Again this is a type of triangle but this is in negative axis. This is 0. Negative axis means negative work done minus, है ना? So half. Base is what? From 4 to 5 is 1 and height is from here. It means here the value is what? 15 only. So minus 15. Minus तो पहले लगा दिया हमने 15, है ना? So here it will become work done 10 plus. So now here for this area, so we have two parallel sides. Sum of parallel side means one value is 10, another value is 15. Sum of parallel side means 10 plus 15 multiplied by height. So these are the parallel side means this is the height. Height is 1 upon 2 plus. So here we have 15 by 2 and in next we have minus 15 by 2. So from these two values are cancelled out. So here work done is equals to 10 plus. So 15 plus 10 is 25 by 2 बच्चे. So take LCM as 2 or we can take simply इसको बच्चे divide कर दो तो ये आएगा 12.5. So whole answer will become 22.5 joule. So this is the value of work done. So work done, total work done of this area under this curve is बच्चे इस पूरी process में from A to B कितना work done लगा बच्चे? We have 22.5 joule का work done हमारे पास